Hello! Today's video, I will teach you the 5 things how to be confident in reporting. As someone na frontliner sa mga reportings sa school and also as a humanista, a grade 12 student na biyasang-biyasa or hasang-hasa, batak na batak sa reporting. So, are you ready? Kung gusto niyo na bang malaman kung ano yung 5 things na to be able to you be confident in speaking in the front of the class. This was the first thing that you need to remember to be able to you be confident in reporting in front of the class. Number 1. Think the spotlight as your own stage. Yes, as in, isipin mo yung harapan ng klase as your own stage. Kasi kung iisipin mo hindi mo yan stage, marami kang isipin hindi magaganda. So think as your own stage. For example, sa singing, di ba? Yung makikita niyo yung mga singers, lalo sa tawag ng tanghalan, sa mga singing competitions, they ace their singing competitions because they think that the stage is theirs, sa kanila. So ganun din sa reporting. Think the spotlight or the front of the class as your own stage. Now, the second tip on how to be confident in reporting, my tip was be positive. Mag-isip ka ng positive. Huwag tayo maging negative pag nagpe-perform tayo sa harapan ng klase. Kasi kung palaging negative ang iniisip natin, the outcome or our performance would be partially negative or partially positive. So, walang talaga tayong masasabi na maganda yung performance natin. Because when we think positively, the outcome would be positive. Lagi kasi natin tatandaan na the positive results to positive and the negative results to partially negative or positive. So, be positive. Change the way you think to be able to you to perform properly in front of the class. The third tip on how to be confident in reporting is that prepare ahead of time. Merong ibang mga kaklase ko, they don't know how to prepare ahead of time in reporting because nagpre-prepare naman sila, but pa nagpre-prepare sila, kinakabisado nila yung nire-report nila. Kasi pag kinakabisado ang reporting, ang outcome nun is na may mental block tayo. Pero paano nga ba mag-prepare bago mag-report? Ito, sige ngayon. Tuturuan ko kayo kung paano mag-prepare bago mag-report. Ito yung tip ko. Very, to sa akin. Effective siya sa akin. Use ChatGPT. Kapag ginamit mo si ChatGPT as your source of knowledge, sa-search mo lahat ng tanong mo sa kanya. For example, ang tinatalakay nyo, what is the 3 branches of government? Define the 3 branches of government in simple way that I can understand. Like a 10-year-old or something like that. So, maintindihan mo na siya. Babasahin mo yon, syempre, pero hindi pa nagtatapos doon to be able for you to understand it and to perform better in front of the class. Pag naintindihan mo na yung binabasa mo, think that you are now reporting in the class. Isipin mo na nagre-report ka na gamit yung information na yan. For example, the 3 branches of the government are the judicial, legislative, and executive department. According to ganito, for example, pwede nyong basahin yung term and then ipaliwanag nyo. Judicial Department was a branch of government that focus on the Supreme Court and other courts in the Philippines. So, i-explain nyo yun. to be able for you to explain, para mas ma-explain nyo siya during the reporting, the actual reporting, is that think nyo na habang nagre-prepare na kayo, na nagre-report na kayo. Isipin nyo na nagsasalita na kayo sa harapan ng klase. Tapos, kung ano na yung iniisip nyo, yung sinasabi nyo, habang nagpapaliwanag kayo, during the time na nagre-prepare kayo, sabihin nyo rin yun during the time na nagre-report kayo. Para, same lang din yun, para meron kayong preparation. Kasi mahirap kasi pag i-memorize, mame-mental block kayo. So, imagine nyo na nagtuturo talaga kayo or nagre-report talaga kayo sa habang na-prepare kayo. So, that is the most effective way for me. ChatGPT plus imagining that you're reporting na to be able for you to perform well in front of the class. Nagigets? The fourth tip, how to be confident in speaking in the front of the class, is that don't speak English, especially if you are beginner. Kasi, kung mag-speak tayo ng English sa harapan ng klase or habang nagre-report, baka kasi mamaya meron tayong masabing hindi tugma or hindi maganda, hindi tugma or hindi kaaya-aya na magkakos ng hindi pagkakatugma ng mga sinasabi mo. Kasi di ba pa nag-i-English tayo, minsan di natin alam kung ano yung nabibitawan nating words, di natin namamalaya hindi na pala tugma or hindi na pala connected sa topic. So pag beginner ka pa lang, don't speak English, Tagalog dapat. Pero depende yun sa teacher nyo kung anong prepare niya. But if may English, then imagine yourself na you speaking English. Search the words that you need to use right now habang nagpre-prepare ka pa lang so that you will use it on your actual or reporting so that you can be confident. Nagigets ba? The 5 tip o yung panghuling tip na ibibigay ko sa inyo on how to be confident in speaking in front of the class is that use your hearts. Pag magre-report, gamitin ng puso. Huwag natin hayaan na magpa-impress tayo, especially as beginner. Gamitin natin yung puso natin. Think this as our stage with the heart. Mag-report tayo na iniisip itong stage na to in front of the class as your stage and report with the heart. And also, report with the heart, with positive minds, and prepare ahead of time using or imagining that you are reporting. And don't speak English, especially if you are beginner in reporting kasi baka hindi connected. So, naiintindihan ba? So, yun lang. Bye-bye!